Hi, my name is Matt Bush, and as you can see from this little snippet from my online portfolio, I'm a user experience, user interface designer, and front end developer. So, to tell my design story, I have to take you back to my obsession of Legos. I've always loved the idea of being able to build something and then immediately tear it down and build something new. That same idea sort of manifested itself in my love for technology. When I was 14, I worked a factory job for an entire summer to save up for my first MacBook, and from there on out, I was hooked to tinkering with my computer in the same way I was with Legos. So I started researching and writing terminal commands to customize my operating system and speed up processes and overall just make things easier for myself. And this lasted up until college, but I certainly never considered this a possible career. So when it came time for college, I chose MSU based on blind ambition and decided to major in professional writing with a design specialization simply because that's what I was good at. The digital and technical track is not what people expect the professional writing program to be. It's heavily rooted in user research, usability, and rhetoric, and data analysis like this is more the type of writing we do. This satisfied the analytical side of my brain, so I used my design courses to satisfy the creative side. And at this point, I still really had a naive view of what design was. And then I took my first introductory programming class. It was primarily front end development. I was just immediately hooked, and my old love for programming could finally relate to my love of design. So I immediately started looking for opportunity to work in the web, and the first was heavily based in web analytics and usability. And this lined up with my professional writing work, but I still didn't have any front end work. So my next job was on the exact opposite spectrum. As a user experience designer, I built interaction designs for web apps and used my analytics experience to better inform my design decisions. So that brings me to now, where I manage the web department at the State News, and I can sort of use all my skills to oversee the entire process. And that's what design is to me. It's a marriage of art and science, and it is that entire process. And as a user experience designer, I sort of have to be a cog in that process. So that's how my idea of design was formed.